If you still have not bought your Easter eggs, get these right now. They're on a huge sale for only $12. If you buy 2 of them, you're gonna get additional like percent off. So check your coupons as well. But these are little squishy axolotls. They have all different colors that you're gonna get, and they already come pre-filled. So it takes away the stress. Send these into the classroom. Maybe your kid just loves these and you wanna do your own Easter egg hunts. This is gonna come in a 24 pack. And like I said, this is the biggest sale I've seen them. These are usually like $35, but it's on 70% off for now. Obviously the seller wants to get rid of these because Easter's right around the corner. They don't wanna get stuck with all this stuff. So you're lucky for being a little bit late to the party and ordering these super late, because this is the time to get them.